Yan, hello guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung dinner buffet dito sa Hotel Seoul, dito sa may Clark, Pampanga. So we visited this and it is already a Friday, and usually they have buffet, a dinner buffet and breakfast only during the weekend. So kung pupunta kayo dito, dapat weekend dahil doon yung meron silang mga buffet dinner and breakfast in the morning. So yan, they have varieties of fruits, no, na pwede nyo pagpilian. Tapos may mga sweets din. They have cheesecake. Masarap yung cheesecakes nila pag gabi. And then they have the cheeses. So different kind of cheese. Na meron ding raisins yan, no. And this is part of the appetizer. So meron silang cold cuts din. Hindi ganun kadami, but at least this is good enough, no. They have baked mac. And then they have also here the salad station. So nandiyan yung mga lettuce, carrots, pepino, no? And then they have dressings. And then dito yung mga main course nila, may mga soup sila. Nagbavari daw yan, no? They have also the maki. May maki, and they also have here yung may waffle pa rin kahit na yan ay evening na. And they have different rice. They have the fried rice. Meron ding plain rice yan, guys. And they also have yung tea. They have juice. Yan yung mga juice nila. And then they have also infused water. And nagsuserve sila ng tea only on dinner. Pag morning, meron silang coffee. And then, yan pa yung mga ibang options na pwede nyo puntahan. Meron silang mga nachos. Meron silang yan, it's like may mga salsa. They have veggies din, no? And then meron din sila may main course, of course, like chicken. And they also have the beef, the baby back ribs, no? Baby back ribs. Mamaya they have the carving section. Meron silang beef steak. This is the tempura, the dim sum section. They have it here. And they also have yung ayan, yung mga soup, kung ano yung gusto nyo, mga noodles na gusto nyo ipaluto. Ito yung kanila namang mga yung carving, yung kanilang beef steak, no? Pwede nyo gamitan ng liver sauce or yung barbecue. They have pizzas, and then they have squid, they have seafood pala, no? So they have yan, yung kanilang shrimp, and they have the mixed seafood. At marami pa. They also have a lot of desserts here, guys. So mag-i-enjoy kayo. Kaya kung gusto nyo bumisit dito sa Hotel Seoul, no, this is one of the best places na gusto na pwede nyo puntahan, no. Yan yung mga gelatos sila na pwede nyo ring tikman. So yun, guys, I tour you around. Ito yung unang round ko, no, na kinain natin mga seafood, and then of course bumalik pa tayo. So I hope you have enjoyed watching, no. Yan, so of course, guys, nagbalik-balik tayo, no. So tinry natin yung baby pork ribs nila, no, baby back ribs, and then yung kanilang beef steak, and then the siomai, and many more, no. Sinubukan talaga natin lahat ng pagkain, lahat ay masasabi ko talagang masarap, kaya talagang babalik-balikan ninyo talaga yan. So pag nagpunta kayo, enjoy the food there, guys. Then guys, I have shown you our experience, yung aming dinner buffet dito sa Hotel Seoul in Clark, Pampanga. And I hope na enjoy ninyo yung mga pagkain na pinakita ko. And if you plan to visit also this hotel, yun yung most likely dinner food choices na makikita nyo. So again, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless!